के लेकर मेरिटोरियस स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं देते। सर ये इतना इंपॉर्टेंट और बर्निंग इश्यू है सर कि ये बच्चों के मुस्तकबिल से खिलवाड़ हो रहा है सर, उनके मुस्तकबिल को तारीकी में और अंधेरे में डाला जा रहा है। सर आई रिक्वेस्ट टू यू सर, काइंडली रिलीज सम अमाउंट सर, सम अमाउंट, कुछ तो पैसे दीजिए। आप किसानों को दे रहे हैं, डेवलपमेंट पे दे रहे हैं, आप तेलंगाना तल्ली के लिए दे रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा है, दीजिए सर, लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी तो कुछ कीजिए सर, कॉलेजेस का कुछ कीजिए, वो टीचिंग स्टाफ का कीजिए। इतना बर्निंग इशू है सर। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि हुकूमत सिर्फ ये नहीं बोलेगी कि वी हैव नोटेड डाउन। No sir, please note it down as an important issue which needs to be addressed immediately sir, because the students are suffering, the colleges are suffering, and the teaching staff is suffering sir, and please do not forget sir, this initiative was initiated by the Congress government, the then Chief Minister Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy Sahab, and it was continued by the TRS and the BRS government. Now you are in power, you have to release. Please do not come with the answer, नहीं ये backlogs है, TRS government 4 साल का छोड़कर गई. Sir, when Telangana came into existence, sir, that time Andhra Pradesh had also left thousands of crores of rupees for fees reimbursement. The TRS government had cleared that, and it is a responsibility of the government to clear the fees reimbursement. Sir, the students are suffering. If not, sir, I want to come and record and say that. I want to come and record and say that MIM party is going to launch an agitation, and we are going to come on the streets, and we are going to ask all political parties to come and support the student so that the student do not suffer, sir. Thank you, sir.
సభ్యులు రాజా సింగర్
Speaker sir, the seriousness of the subject is a genuine one, is being noted, and I will speak to the concerned minister. I know because for whatever the cause, whoever the reason, definitely whatever he says, sir, right.
It is a 5,000 crores, sir. Now it has gone to 8,000 crores, sir. 8,000 crores are due, sir.
So it's a genuine demand which is being noted. I will take it to the concerned minister, sir. 100%. Thank you, sir.
The suicide of students in the state of Telangana is 3 times more than the farmers of the Telangana, sir. So now we are just pushing them to commit suicide, sir. See, sir, I have the figure, sir. 5,020 crores are due, and if we calculate this year, sir, it will come to almost 8,000 crores. Are you release 1,000 crores at least, sir? 1,000 करोड़ तो दे दीजिए, चलिए कुछ करिए, कॉलेज मैनेजमेंट को बुलाइए, स्टूडेंट्स को बुलाइए, कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं सर। ये कैसी हुकूमत चला रहे हैं सर आप लोग?
I already told Speaker sir, once again the serious is being understood. I will talk to the concerned deputy minister. It's a genuine demand. Everybody is suffering for this. Whoever is the reason, definitely I will take it to the definitely will take it to the concerned minister, the deputy CM sir, finance minister. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
The students are suffering. Concerned ministers से क्या होगा सर? Chief Minister साहब को rescue को आना चाहिए. The government को rescue को आना चाहिए सर. Sir, almost 20 lakh students are suffering. 4 lakh teachers are suffering. Why are you not understanding?